It's really none of your business, and you're illegally detaining me right now. Yes, you are. You can't articulate the crime that I committed or about to commit. What is it? What is your RSA? What is the penal code that I'm committing right now?
Do you work?
What is your penal code in RSA that you're articulating the crime I committed to identify me and illegally detain me? I'm going to walk away.
Welcome back. You've heard of the Walk of Shame. In this video, you will witness the first time ever Walk of Triumph. Go subscribe to Press NH now and let them know San Joaquin sent you. I'll see you in the comments section. Peace.
Well, you pulled around pretty quick.
What's up?
Nothing much.
You filming the lot?
Just anything I can see in public.
What is that?
Any reason? Can you step back 6 feet, please?
Oh, COVID?
Do you have a mask?
Yeah, I can. Do you have one?
No, I don't need one. It's your policy, not mine.
What's going on with you guys? Why are you filming us?
Is there a problem with that?
Yeah, why are you filming the lot?
Is there a problem with that? Is that illegal?
You can film.
I'm sorry?
Can I film your lot?
I'm sorry?
Can I film
Have I committed the crime?
it? No, just for my safety.
You need my ID for your safety? What was that going to do for you?
No, your flags.
No, my what?
Your flags.
What's that?
If you don't understand, like, the whole thing.
Flags?
No, yeah. Just for my safety, right?
I haven't committed the crime, so I don't have to ID. It's not a stop and identify state, ma'am. Can I have your name and badge?
Of course you can.
What is it?
It's 204. My last name's Cosby.
Cosby?
Cosby.
Cosby. Nice to meet you. Yeah, I have no any ill will or intent.
What's your first name?
I'm sorry?
What's your first name?
I'm not going to give it.
Why not?
Because I don't need to.
Why are you being so uncomfortable?
I have every right not to give you my name. I haven't committed any crime.
I don't understand why you're filming the law.
It's just anything in public. You're the police department. I could film you. You're public officials.
Yep, we are.
Yes, you are. You have every right to be filmed.
But right now, the reason why I don't understand why you're filming us. It's a secure lot. That's where we were.
I'm not on it. I see the restricted sign that says no trespassing right there. I haven't stepped foot on there.
Never said I was on it. Good thing you have your mask on.
Thank you.
Policy.
It is.
So he was just filming our lot, filming me, filming you.
Okay, that's fine. I'm filming you too, sir.
Yeah, I know that.
Okay, I just legally have to tell you.
Yeah, no, I understand. Can I have your name and badge?
Yeah, it's Dawson, Dad 78.
Nice to meet you. So, what are we all doing here?
Do you live around here? I'm working.
I'm not answering any questions, ma'am.
Well, then why do you want to know so much about us? You won't tell us anything about you.
I don't have to. That's the whole point. I don't need to. I'm under no law or obligation to tell you who I am. I haven't committed any crimes. I haven't stepped on your property, and I have no reason to.
See you on the sidewalk?
Of course I am.
Yeah, he was crossing the street when I pulled.
Yeah, she pulled out, and she pulled right back in. I mean, you guys can use a threat assessment. I mean, well, that's what you're doing right now. You have every right to stop me and ask me what I'm doing. I'm just filming anything I see in public. I film public officials.
All the time?
Yeah, all the time. So you're calling 3 units in for somebody exercising a constitutionally So you're calling 3 officers for a constitutionally protected activity?
Actually, no, they showed up all by themselves.
Oh, they did? Oh, out of nowhere? Wow.
That's how I got here.
Any more behind me?
Yes, there's a whole apartment.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's not happy about the numbers too right here. The numbers that are he's being uncooperative.
Uncooperative.
Yeah.
Why? Because I don't want to answer questions?
Yes.
I don't have to.
You're being uncooperative. Yes.
Okay.
That's what that means.
It's not a crime. I mean,
Just filming the secure lot.
can I have your name and badge, please?
Yes, 179.
Name?
No, that's right.
That's not going to happen.
Oh, it is.
It's not going to happen. And you could ask all you want, but I haven't committed any crime. And until you could articulate that, I'm not giving any ID.
Okay. That's fine.
You can ask.
That's fine. We'll find a way to then.
Okay. Can you step back from me?
No, I can't.
What are you looking at? Cigarettes?
No. There's other ways.
My flag?
No.
That's okay. I don't care. You guys already know who I am. It doesn't really matter.
Do you do this often, my friend?
I'm not answering your question. Am I being detained?
At the moment, we're talking.
Am I being detained?
At the moment, yes.
It's a very simple question.
Right now, you're being detained. We're talking.
Can you call a supervisor, please?
No, at the moment.
Yes, you can. You're illegally detaining me for absolutely no crime, and you can't even articulate it. So give me a supervisor.
We're talking to you.
Give me a supervisor, please. If you can't articulate your crime that I committed, then I'm going to walk away. So,
How long have you
you
been?
guys not know the law, or are you just like abusing people's powers? Your powers.
How long have you been filming us for?
It's none of your fucking business. For real, it's none of your business. Because you guys, there's just a lot to do with the police department right now, and I have every right to film you. You're filming me. Am I fucking stopping you and bothering you? Am I telling you why are you filming people? Why are you filming everyone else around? I mean, there's cameras everywhere. What's the big deal? What is the big deal?
Well, you knew that going into it. You're just filming.
I know what I'm doing. I do this all the time.
Yeah, I just don't know why.
It's none of your business. It's really none of your business, and you're illegally detaining me right now. Yes, you are. You can't articulate the crime that I committed or about to commit. What is it? What is your RSA? What is the penal code that I'm committing right now?
Do you work?
What is your penal code in RSA that you're articulating the crime I committed to identify me and illegally detain me?
I'm gonna answer questions.
I'm going to walk away. So much for your detainment.
You just witnessed the first ever Walk of Triumph. This video will go down in the history books. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you over there on Press NH Now's channel. Man, I love the support you guys give me and all the support you give the new channels. This community is growing and growing. And some of you say it's because of me. No, it's because of you. Thank you guys. I'll see you over there. Peace.